toes. Thank you. Today we're doing chicken wings, simple, delicious chicken wings. I was thinking like, what do I have in my fridge that I would love to put on my chicken wings? And I thought, oh, like a miso chicken wing would be so good. I've never had that before. I'm sure it's been done, but I've never had it. So I started looking it up and didn't really find anything that was like right up my alley. So I'm just gonna kind of do my own thing. Welcome to my test kitchen. Nina's test kitchen. Action. The oven is preheated at 425. We're gonna get these puppies in there. First, we just need to put a little bit of oil on them and salt and pepper. So it's super simple. I love drumsticks, so I wanted a little bit more drumsticks. Okay, Leo, I gotta open the oven. 425 for about 20 minutes. We're gonna make the glaze. So in a pot, about a clove of garlic, some minced up pieces of, I would say that's like about a 1/2 inch piece of ginger. I have this black miso here, adzuki bean and buckwheat miso, but you can use whatever kind of miso you have. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey. Lastly, red pepper flakes for just a little bit of heat. About 1/2 teaspoon. So now I'm gonna put this on the heat and let it become a glaze. Do you want some more green pepper? Oh, you just want to throw them on the floor. Okay, I'm just gonna taste the glaze. It's really good. It's like tangy and sweet and spicy. It's really good. It's starting to bubble a little, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. It is ready to go. Okay, I'm just gonna give these a little flipperoo. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm just covering every wing with a bit of sauce. I'm just gonna put these back into the oven for 5 minutes. All right, I think the chicken is ready. I'm gonna try my chicken wing, my miso chicken wings. It's so good. I'm just gonna eat this whole wing right now. It's so good. That's all I have to say. Tangy, sweet, so good. Kitchen chicken, kitchen chicken, kitchen chicken, kitchen chicken. It's really hard. Chicken, kitchen, kitchen, chicken. Chicken, kitchen, chicken, kitchen, chicken, chicken. Ooh, it's even harder.